Hi there, I'm Brian Whitmore, Director of the Russia program here at SIPA, and this is a vertical video. A professionally planned and executed contract killing by a foreign intelligence service. That is how German law enforcement described the assassination of Zelimkhan Khangoshvili, an ethnic Chechen and Georgian national who was shot dead on August 23rd in a park in Berlin. A 49-year-old Russian citizen from Chechnya has been arrested in connection with the killing. According to media reports, various motives are being investigated. Khangoshvili, who survived an assassination attempt in Tbilisi in 2015 and was seeking asylum in Germany, fought against Russia in the Second Chechen War. He was reported to be on Ramzan Kadyrov's enemies list, and he was also, according to some reports, rumored to have ties to both Georgia's and Ukraine's intelligence services. Presumably, the motive will become clearer as the German investigation continues. But one thing is already abundantly clear. Just as with the assassinations of Alexander Litvinenko in London and Umar Israilov in Vienna, and just as with the attempted assassination of Sergei Skripal in Salisbury, the assassination of Khangoshvili is part of a clear pattern. Vladimir Putin's regime is brazenly exporting its gangland-style lawlessness and extrajudicial executions to Europe's capitals. And it's largely doing so with impunity. It's doing so even as it's being welcomed back into the Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe. It's doing so even as calls for rapprochement in Western capitals grow louder. But the conflict between the Putin regime and the West is not the result of some misunderstanding, and it's not something that can be negotiated away. The conflict is a systemic struggle between a system based on institutions, accountability, and the rule of law, and one based on corruption, criminality, and arbitrary rule. And in that struggle, there is no common ground. Keep telling us what you think on Twitter and on Facebook. I'm Brian Whitmore, and this was a vertical video.